So hello everyone, in this video I will tell you the things. I will again teach you in short, in basic things, what I taught you on day 1 of the webinar. So first of all I will teach you the basics. Okay, the basics. Second thing will be the over bullish setup, and the third thing, it will be the half moon setup. Okay, so first let's learn a bit of basics. If I write on topic will be basic. So first of all I will tell you what are support and what are resistance. So suppose price moves like this. Okay, so from the places where the price was going up and suddenly it started to come down. See, at this place the price was going up, but suddenly it started to come down. So this place we will draw a line and we will call it as resistance line. This is called resistance. Okay, from the place where price starts to come down after reversing, we call it resistance. Where are the other resistance? Right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, so this is resistance. Now I will tell you what is support. Okay, so just opposite of resistance. When the price is coming down and suddenly it reverses and starts to go up, so this thing we call it as support. Okay, so if this is something, price is something like this, so what are the supports? From where the price was coming down but it suddenly started to go up. This place, this place, this place, this place, this place, these are the supports. So I hope you all were able to understand what are support and what are resistance. Now I will tell you what are breakouts and what are breakdowns. Okay, and what are retracement. So see, suppose there is a resistance line, it is not compulsory for the resistance line to be horizontal. Okay, it could also be like this, it could also be like this, it could also be like this. Okay, it could also be like this. Okay, so suppose this is a resistance line. What happens to a resistance line? The price touches it, comes down, touches it, comes down, touches it, come down. So suddenly what the stock does is the stock breaks the resistance and goes above it. When the resistance line is broken and the stock goes above it, we call it as breakout happened. Okay, breakout happened. I will tell you again. This is a resistance line. Price was coming down from it, but suddenly it broke it and went above it. So what we call is, we call that breakout happen. Now this is a breakout. Now what is a retracement? This was the trend line, support, resistance line, breakout happened. Now after breakout, what happens is that the resistance becomes support. What happens from support? Price goes up. So when the price will come down and touch it, we call this thing as retracement. Okay, if you don't understand anything, these are very easy things. Okay, basic things. You can just go to Google or YouTube and search about it and they will easily explain you. Okay, so this is what retracement is. Now I will tell you what is Fibonacci. Every charting software, whether you use Zerodha, TradingView, whatever you use, everything has Fibonacci tool. So what happens is, see, price goes up like this, right? So Fibonacci something looks like this. There is a 0% line and there is a 100% line. Okay, you will have to place the 0% line on a resistance level and the 100% line on any of the bottom levels, bottom swings. These are swings. Okay, from where the price this U shaped reverses it, we call it swing. I will clean it out. Okay, so the 0% we keep on the top of resistance and 100% we keep on any of the swings. Maybe here. Let's suppose we kept it here. 100%, this is 0%. Now what Fibonacci does is it automatically gives you three lines. It will give you three lines. These lines will be named as 38, 50 and 61. Okay, these will be the names of the lines. If the price would have taken support at any of these three lines, it means there is a chance that stock can go more up. So this is the Fibonacci thing. If you don't understand Fibonacci, it's an easy thing. You can Google it. Okay, it's very easy, or YouTube it. Now we will talk about our first setup, the over bullish setup. So in the over bullish setup, we have to see three things. If all these three things will be present in the setup, then only we will trade to buy the stock. If at least two things are there, we will not take the stock. We need all the three things. The first thing is breakout. A breakout must have happened, then we will only choose that stock. The second thing, volume. We will see there must be green volume more than the red volume in the breakout place. Okay. Third thing is Fibonacci. The stock before giving breakout must have taken support at the Fibonacci 3 levels which I shown you. You will understand it clearly when I will show you an example. Okay. Okay guys, so this is our first example. This is the stock named as Birla Tire. So are you all able to spot a breakout? Maybe yes, some of you, maybe yes, some of you, maybe no. But I will show you where did I spotted a breakout. So if I place a resistance line here, then you all will be able to see the price went down from the resistance. Sorry, I will change the color once. Okay, let's go to blue color. Okay, so if you see the price, it's not blue. Why it's yellow? Yeah, now it's done. See, the price came down from that resistance line once, twice, thrice, and then it broke the resistance line and went above it. So what do we call it as? We call it that breakout happened, right? I will show you clearly once. See guys, it came down once, twice, thrice, and then it gave a breakout. It broke the resistance line and went above it. So we needed to have three things, right? First one was breakout. We got it, right? What was second thing? Volume. Green should be more than red. So let's see whether green volume is more than red. So if you see, I bring the volume chart then if I bring the volume chart, I hope you all are able to see that there are a lot of green and red volume. Okay, but if I zoom, see there are green and red volume, but green volume is more than the red volume. So we say that volume is good. And if I zoom in for you guys, I'll zoom in. I hope you all are able to see the green volumes now nicely. So we got our two things. First one was breakout, we got it. Second one was volume, we got it. Now the third thing is Fibonacci. Let's bring Fibonacci now. So see, this is the Fibonacci. We place the 0% on the top and 100% on any of the previous swing. So I will have to find the swing. Where is a previous swing? It's right here. See guys, I placed the 0% level of Fibonacci on the top of the resistance from where the resistance line started, and I placed the 100% of the Fibonacci on a previous swing. As you all could see, the stock was in upper circuit, but at this place there was a swing. It went down for a little and then started to go up. So I placed the 100% there. Then you will be able to see when the breakout happened, it took support at exactly 50% line of Fibonacci. So what happened? We got all the tradings. First one breakout done, second one volume done, third one Fibonacci done. So we will buy it. But where will we buy it? Let me show you where we will buy it. See, the breakout happened this year, after which whenever after the breakout we see some red candles, we buy it immediately. So we buy at some place here. What is our buying price? 20 rupees, right? Where do we keep our stop loss? We just place it just below the point from where breakout happened. So breakout happened at this place. We place our stop loss just below it. Our stop loss is at 17 rupees. How much big is our stop loss? 3 rupees. Let's write it down here. This is our stop loss, 3 rupees big, right? Where do we keep our stop target? 1:1 profits. Okay, 1:1. So what will be our target? 21, 22, 23 rupees. Where is 23 rupees? Right here. And our target got hit, as all you could see. And if you would have trailed your stop loss, you would have been able to capture even more profits. Some place here till 40, almost your money would have been doubled. This is the power of my setup, guys. Okay, now how would you trail your stop loss, right? What is the technique? I will explain to you right now. See, price goes up like this, right? These things we call as swings. These are swings. So the stop loss rule is called as 3 swings. Okay, we will suppose our SL is right now at this place. We will count the swing. This is the first swing, second, third swing. Now when the stock will go up from the third swing, we will trail our stop loss, increase our stop loss to the first swing. Now this is our new SL. Okay, and when it will create a fourth swing, we will increase our stop loss to the second swing. This is our new SL. Okay, and this way, as it creates fifth swing, we will increase our SL to the third swing. So I hope you were able to understand how we trail our stop loss. first of time we wait for 3 swings, and after that, as the stock makes swing, we keep increasing our stop loss. So guys, now I will tell you the third setup. Sorry, not third, the second setup. What is the name of the second setup? It is named as the half moon setup. Why half moon? You will know it in the further. So in the half moon setup, we have to see 4 things. In the over bullish setup, the previous setup, we had to see 3 things, but now we have to see 4 things. So what are the 4 things? Let me show you. So the first thing is that we need to see a half moon, but the half moon should not be like this. Okay, this is the wrong. This should not look like this. It should look like this. This is the correct half moon. Okay, so this is our first thing. I will show you in nicely in clean board. First thing is we have to see a pattern which looks something like this, a half moon. Okay, then our second thing is sideways movement after the half moon. So what I mean is, this is the half moon and then there should be some sideways movement. This thing, okay, some sideways movement after the half moon. This is our second thing. Now what is our third thing? Our third thing is volume. Green volume should be more than red volume. Okay, and fourth thing is Fibonacci. But where Fibonacci? So this is our half moon and this is consolidation. We will place 0% here, 0%, and we will place 100% on the bottom. So the 3 lines with the Fibonacci will give us this consolidation. This sideways movement must have taken support from any of the 3 lines. So I hope you all were able to understand the setup. Now I will show you some examples. So guys, now I have come on our another example which is of Trident. So you can see Trident also made the over bullish setup at a point of time. Wait, I will change the color once. Okay, let's go to blue. This one. Okay. So see, at this place, it was at a distance trend line. It touched it and went down 3 times, and then it gave breakout, and then it gave some red candles. We bought here, stop loss here, and you could see where the stock is now. This was over bullish setup. We bought at what, 7.5 rupees. Right now the stock is at what, see, 24 rupees. How much profit you would have made, you can just remember yourself. But we are not talking about the over bullish setup in this setup, right? We are talking about half moon setup. So are you all able to find the half moon? Yes, I could see a half moon at this place. Let me show you. See, from this place if we see, the stock came down and then went up in a circular manner. So this is our half moon. First thing done. What is the second thing? Sideways movement after the half moon. Do we have it? Let's see. This is our half moon and then we have the sideways movement. See, we have the sideways movement. We have the half moon and the sideways movement. 2 things done. What is the third thing? Volume. Let's bring volume. Okay, let's see how is the volume. Is the volume green or is the volume red? it is green, right? It is filled with green. So what do we got? We got three things. First one, half moon. Second one, sideways movement after the half moon. Third point, volume. We got the three things. Now what is the third thing? Fourth thing. The fourth thing is Fibonacci. Let's bring Fibonacci. So I will place the 0% on the top of the half moon and 100% on the bottom. Now you will be able to see it. See. See this. From this place the half moon started. I kept the 0% there. From this place the half moon ended. I kept the 100% here. Now if you see, the stock has taken the sideways movement has taken support exactly at 38% level at this place. I hope you all are able to see it. So we now got all the four things. First thing, we got the half moon. Second thing, we got sideways movement after the half moon. Third thing, we got green volume. Fourth thing, we got the Fibonacci support on the sideways movement. Now where we will buy it? First I will clean the chart. Let me clean the chart once just. See, after the half moon, when it will be in the sideways movement, we'll buy it any place in between it, any place whenever our mood sets. So we bought at 7 rupees. Where do we keep our stop loss? Just below the half moon, which is 3 rupees. How much is our SL? 4 rupees. How much will we keep our target? First, for target we will calculate the size of our half moon. How much is the size of our half moon? 7.50 at this place minus at this place 3. Size of the half moon is size. Half moon is of size 4.5. So our target will be our buying price, which is 7 plus the half moon size, which is 4.5, which equals to 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.5. Our target will be 11.5. Let's see whether the stock touched 11.5 and gave our safe target or not. So see, those people who are safe traders, they will exit on the what do we call it, safe target. And those who can take some risk, they can use trailing stopper. Now see where the stock went. See, we had bought at this place on 7 rupees. Our stop loss was at this place on 3 rupees. Our target was at 11 rupees, right? This was at 11 rupees. Target was hit. And those who trailed their stop loss, they tripled their money, 300%. Right now the stock is at 24 rupees. So I hope you all were able to understand the half moon setup as well. So this was it. This was the what I taught on the first class. Thank you very much everyone.